ARTL stock analysis and ARTL stock prediction. What I'll be doing here is showing you my exact play with Artelo Biosciences sitting at $13, actually $12.49. This thing is melting, like really melting from this point of view. But when you see that it's got 95%, you just take your words back. You know, I'm taking my words back. It just pumped like crazy, and I'm all about that. But most of the things like pump and dumps are a big thing. If I'm willing to, you know, juice the most that I can out of it, or just, you know, see where it ends up. I mean, in this particular instance, I'm still open-minded for it, you know, like the only thing that I would prefer a shift and buy in this case if there is a double break here, meaning break above 1540 and then second one above, you know, 1657 or something similar. I'm not saying this is about to freaking do, you know, this is what about to freaking happen, but I'm ready for it in case it does. And I don't really care about the bearish side, really. Only if rules are met that I'm taking advantage. If you want to learn what's taking me to 5-10K months, click the first link below. It's risk-free. 1,200 people have gotten it. All 5-star reviews.